So I am at the renfile CSP in Meyrin near Geneva, Switzerland, and we are just about to go into lockdown. So we are today Thursday, and Saturday's the last day that they're going to be open for about a month at least. And so I thought, I had a friend who wanted me to put some of her items here, and I thought I'll have a quick shop. I haven't been here in probably like 4 months, so this is exciting. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I've got a couple things in my basket, and I will post a picture of them here. So here I'm in the clothing section and handbags and things like that, but I am going to get a handbag. I'll put the picture here. And when I was dropping off the stuff for my friend, I saw it in the back room and I asked how much it was. So it's 25 francs. It's from Florida. It's like a 1950s wicker handbag with some little bit of beading on the front of it. It's like a velvet thing, and I think it's a good deal for 25 francs. So I'm going to get that as well. Here I'm in the electronics and all of the bits that you plug in basically. So sometimes it's worth having a check, but honestly some of these prices are crazy. Like there's a sandwich maker over here. It's 50 francs, and I mean it's probably new, maybe 100, but it could even be less if you get it on sale. So I wouldn't buy a used one for that, but something like this is 14 francs. That could be worth it. It's a little sandwich maker. So it's always worth having a look around, and sometimes you can get spare parts here too. So here I'm outside now. I've just made my purchases, which I will show you, and I just wanted to show you how they also have a lot of furniture out here. There's a lot of lockers as well, filing cabinets of course, and they have the usual assortment of interesting items, as you can see. This is cool. It's got quite a bit of woodworm, but it's a very interesting piece at any rate. Okay, so I'm just down the road now at the Carte Trésors, and it's another brocante. It's just close to the CSP in Meyrin. I am back from La Renfile in Meyrin today, and this is my loot that I got, as you can see. So this I didn't know, it was 3 francs for these 4 plates, and they're melamine plates, and I think for 3 francs it's great. It's good to have. This one is beautiful. It's my favorite. I got this one. I have a feeling that I'm starting a collection of things wrapped in stamps. I did see another thing that was wrapped in stamps. It was a wine bottle, but I didn't get it. But the reason I like this one is because it has Helvetia, which is Switzerland. It also has other stamps from around the world, but I have a few items like this already, and I just think it's really fun. I mean, you don't put it in the dishwasher, obviously. It's covered in felt, but it's a fun display item. I showed you this when I was there, and this is one of the 2 favorite pieces that I got today. So this is a pipe cleaner wrapped egg. It's a candy holder, and it's made all out of eggs. As you can see, everything is shaped like eggs, and then it would hold candy in it. So that's the top and bottom, and it goes like that. And he has an egg-shaped head as well, which I think is really fun. So I'm really happy with that. And then this is the pièce de résistance, is this handbag. It's in perfect condition. So opens like this. I was really lucky because it wasn't actually in the shop yet. Somebody had brought it, and it was still sitting in the back. So I asked if I could buy it, and I bought it for 25 francs. And it's in great condition. And I think it has a lot of character. I do think it's sort of like 1950s. So you can see it has like a beadwork on it. It's just really well made. It has little feet and handles. So I think that's really fun. It's in good condition. I think that was one of my good deals. So my favorite things are the duck and the purse. And then I got 1 franc for that, 1 franc for some envelopes. And I paid 9 francs for a book about doll houses, which will be fun to look through. It's not, perfect, but it has a lot of information in it that I think will be interesting for me to look at. I have some of the items that are in the book already, and it's just interesting to see other doll houses. So I'm happy to have that. And I got 2, I know it doesn't look like much, but 2 orchid holders for a couple francs, because I got 2 orchids the other day, and I think this will look great in there. So I think I did well. I paid all in all for everything you see here 61 francs. So I had a little stint at Gloryland, which is in Lausanne, and I got this enormous roll of clear wrapping paper, which is great. I can use it for my pop-up shop. And I have a little collection of Easter bunny, what is it called? Easter holders. I got this little, like an old postcard thing you hang on your door. Some cards and a set of letters, wooden letters. These are all very old. I have other ones as well, but these are fun. So, and I got a souvenir from Meyrin. No idea what it was used for originally, but you can imagine this is going to look great in my dollhouse. And I paid 18 francs for everything you see here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.